wants his drone.
Yo, why can't I get that shit? Damn it. Yo, what the fuck? I'm following that shit. Look at that shit, still going. That's definitely, we heard it, that's definitely a drone now.
It's definitely a drone.
Oh, now my light's making light. It looks like it's, I swear it's trying to,
Fast,
I know, yo, what the fuck? I feel like it's trying to avoid the camera.
Zips back and forth.
Yo, what?
That's what it's looking for.
I think it's dispersing the shit.
Yeah, I know.
Look at that.
But I really wonder what it's looking for.
There it goes again. Look how fast that shit is. Yo. You can't say that shit is fucking cool. Yo, the second you start recording these things, they start moving. Jamie waved at it and it started going. Look at this fucking thing, man. This motherfucker. It doesn't want to be recorded, yo.